all that oil that's just coming out of the turbo. What's going on, guys? I want to say, first of all, sorry for the lack of content lately. It's winter here. I've been out snowmobiling pretty much every weekend. I just haven't had any motivation to do any videos lately. And also, being that it's winter, I've put the Audi away for, put it in storage now, and I've just been driving the Honda here. So it's kind of hard to do any modifications to the car or anything when I've got to drive it to and from work every day and it's my only vehicle. So that's what's been stopping me from continuing with the turbo build. But today I want to just do a couple of little things. I want to chase down some boost leaks, fix some of my temporary work that I've done, and just generally clean up the work that I've done previously. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with doing some boost leak checks, and we'll go from there. So the reason I want to look for some boost leaks is when I'm running the car, I can hear the turbo start to spool, it whistles, and then once I hit positive pressure, I can hear a second whistle, and I think it's coming from this intake air temp sensor, I would assume, because we've just got it held in there with a zip tie and a piece of rubber tubing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bumper off so I can get at the cold side inlet, and then just ram some shop air into it and listen for a whistle. Alright, bumper's off. Now I'm just going to pull this band clamp off of the turbo here, and then I'll just blow some compressed air into the intake and have a listen. Well, that's an $80 turbo for you. I just pulled this pipe off and stuck my finger in the tube, and there's all that oil that's just coming out of the turbo. That's probably not good. Oh well, keep going. So there's obviously a leak coming from here, because I could hear it when I wiggled that. But another thing that I didn't expect was this elbow here has a massive leak. You can hear it. I just go like that a little bit. That's a big leak. This one I think will be pretty easy. I'm just going to take the clamp off of here and try and get it seated on there a little bit better. That other one I'm not too sure about, so I'll fix this one first and then get to that one. Alright, so that one's all fixed. Now I just got to deal with this intake air temp sensor. You can see it's quite loose. We just kind of zip tied it in there. So I think what I'm going to have to do with that one, I'm going to have to maybe TIG weld something on there so I can actually clamp a piece of tubing between the sensor and the intake pipe. So that might not get done tonight, but I can at least get the parts together and get it all sorted out. So I think I've come up with a solution. I just put a O-ring on this sensor here, and now I'm going to go and machine just a little sleeve that's going to fit over this and then seat on that O-ring. I can weld to here, and I'll just press this in there, and I might put another zip tie on the inside, I'm not sure yet. I'll make that piece and then I'll worry about holding it in there afterwards. stick my O-ring in there. It's got a little seat there. And then just press the sensor in. And that is not going to leak or come out. Job well done. Alas, here I am again, no TIG welder. So unfortunately, that's where I'm going to have to leave this one off. Thank you again for watching. Thanks for sticking around during my probably like month-long break. Before I go, I have one question. I have yet to do a screamer pipe on this thing, so I kind of want some suggestions as to what I should do with it. I could go out the hood with it. I don't really want to cut a hole in the hood though. Or I was thinking about going out the side of the bumper. I could even go out the front of the bumper. That'd be kind of weird, but let me know what you think. Leave your suggestions down in the comments, and I will definitely take a look at them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and check me out on Instagram at I Like Autos Daily, and we'll see you in the next one.